Dan Patrick and the big screen go hand in hand.
There's no tricks of the trade. All it is either you have it or you don't.
The Man Cave a sports haven or a place for movie critics?
There are some funny, like, classic movies.
Step Brothers. Will Ferrell, John
Yes.
C. Reilly.
What else you got?
Ted.
Oh.
See, that your reaction is enough,
I love
right?
Ted. Yes, McLovin.
Anchorman.
Yeah.
Hey, Seton, what movie do you appreciate?
What do you think of Dumb and Dumber?
I thought it was great.
You want to hear the most annoying noise in the world?
Guys!
All right, boss, where do you stand?
I love Point Break. When you jump out of an airplane with no parachute, you got me.
Hey, Seton, do you agree?